Hi guys! So, welcome to my Hello Kitty room, but this time I will do an unboxing and I will show some of the items, BTS merch, that I ordered from Korea through a reseller here. So, let's start. The first item that I actually got is a Chimmy bag. So, I really find the bag very cute. And which has also a signature at the back. So I am a Jimin buyer. So basically yung mga items yung in order are Chimmy Karen. So this is the first item. So actually it's a cloth but it has a plastic covering it. So hindi naman siya ganun. I'm yet to use this kasi I'm still waiting for some of the items to arrive para i-create ko yung OOTD. The other item that I got to go with it actually is a Chimmy, what do you call this? Ano tawag mo dito? Parang charm. Or they call it charm. So it's a Chimmy charm that I can actually put also in my bag para so the other item I got is a Chimmy mouse. But I'm still yet to purchase the Chimmy keyboard, so it still has to wait. So later on I will do a BTS room tour. So, kumputain ko lang yung mga items that are yet to arrive. No? Kasi it takes about 2 to 3 months for you to receive it. So, sinasabi nila minsan 3 weeks. No, it's not. 3 weeks to order. Pagdating dito, it takes about 3 weeks again for it to be released. So, it takes a lot of waiting time and pero exciting naman once you receive the item because they are all cheap. So, the other item that I got already is the triple pillow. So, it's very huggable. It's a long pillow. And then, the ones that are I am going to unbox is one of the blanket that goes with it. So, meron ng partner yung aking triple pillow. Okay, let's start. Another item I got is the Baskin Robbins Tiny Tan edition. So, actually, I'm supposed to order the Tiny Tan figures. Pero mas mahal kasi individually yung mga characters doon. But, when I saw this, sabi ko, ito na lang yung order ko because they're also complete. So, this comes with a so this is Tiny Tan. Look at the box, no? It's so nice. So this comes with a parang canister kasi Baskin Robbins edition. So you can actually put your figure here to keep it, or you can actually put it up here. So we will do one. No? This is Chihu. Hahanapin ko. Sample na lang tayo ha. So these are the Tiny Tan figures. Ito, si J-Hope. Ito na. Yay! This is J-Hope. So, let's try one, no? Ilagay natin dun sa may ayan, you see those items. So, ang gaganda na. Cute na. I think it's pricey, pero wala. Really wanted to have your collections. Then, talagang gagastos mo. Pati ko ilan. Yeah! Kasi, this is how you do it. Ang cute na, di ba? Nice, di ba? Ang cute talaga. Tsaka ang ganda ng material. Okay, so, I will try to look for, siyempre, Jimin. lang. Kasi pag may bias din. Jimin! Okay, let's look for Jimin's video. So, that's one. Let's try another one then. So, ito yung na parang may stage sila. Tapos, just clip it here. There! Beauty! Nice, no? Okay, so let's do it. So that's one. And then, okay, so we will do the unboxing. As I said, I've ordered the ripple blanket that goes with the ripple pillow. This one is I want things like this because they're all in here. I mean, all the BB21 are. So this one is really the partner. So later on when I do the BTS room, you will see that blanket and that. And the other one I ordered is I think this is a Chimmy shirt. So, ang tagal dumating ha. Totoo yan. Kaya ko na-took in order. And hindi ko magamit yung aking bag just because. But, also, pinahabol ko yung tawag nila dito is yung BTS ticket. Pero to me parang ano siya, yung amaypay. Amaypay lang siya. So, this one is okay lang kasi talagang binabakul wrap nila para hindi madami sa handling nito. And, ganito pala siya kalaki. So actually, it's for display. And sometimes they say na ito yata yung show off nila pag nagka-concert. There! It's the map of the soul and you have all the BTS members. Laki, no? Yeah, may pipe. So, when there's a concert, ganun, gaganto mo. BTS! BTS! Yan. Okay. And this one is the Chimmy t-shirt. Actually, this is a parang sale or promo because it's a buy one take one thing. Pero I was asking nga kung if I can choose a black and a white, but they said this comes in really both black or both. And yeah, it's so cute because it has a small Chimmy, ano ba ito, parang sticker, cloth sticker siya. I think that patch pala tawag. That patch is actually different. Okay. I thought pareho. So this one has a different patch. Both are cute. And this also comes with some photo cards. Normally kasi when you buy items from Korea, they will give you some freebies like photo cards. This one is Jeho. And Ara. So this will also add in my collection. Also have some photo cards that I bought, pero wala. Tinabi ko muna because I will just bring it out again pag nagano na. And then this one is yung something na medyo exciting ako. No, it's not a select ice cream. No, it's not. Tinago lang po siya dyan. Ay, kaya ka lang ba, Baskin Robbins? Okay. Halo na, no? Siyempre yung packaging, because yung mga nagbebenta dito, medyo malalayo yung mga ulit yung bibili. Then I need a cutter. Oh, ang talas. Cutter na hindi niya nakasya. Minsan pag nakakakita ako ng mga nag-unboxing, nakakatuwa lang kasi diba, parang there's nothing more exciting than opening gifts. This one also comes with a photo card. Uy, this one is from the Billboard. Yan, may photo card sila. So this is a Skechers edition ng yan, BT21. Nice, di ba? So, ito yung Chimmy na rubber shoes. This one. On the side kasi, meron siyang parang Chimmy sticker. And the color is, look, it's a green and yellow, white blue. Look at the top part. So, before kasi I ordered, I asked first kung may size para sa akin. Kasi maliit lang yung paa ko, size 5. So, good thing naman, because siguro Asian yung mga gumagawa. So, meron sila maliliit na size. And then, there's another rubber shoes that I ordered, which is actually a tiny tan edition naman. Because doon sa mga rubber shoes, they always have yung each for Cookie, for Chimmy, for Tata. And this one, before ma-sold out, kasi malimit daw ma-sold out yung mga items. So, pinili ko na siya. Okay, so, basically, masosot ko na yung aking Chimmy OOTD para gamit ko na lahat. So, that's it for today. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. And I will do some unboxing later on pag muna akong review lang. Bye! Thanks for watching!